All right, we had all sorts of plans for fun activities as a group and wreath workshops and days gathering things with goats in the meadow. And we're still gonna do all of that. But in the meantime, I've worked up some instructions and some plans for some virtual custom orders that you can either make at home or we can make together or I can make for you. So I'm excited to finally kind of have this all come together and understand how it's going to work. This is a wreath that I made a couple weeks ago with a wreath base like I create and a bundle of flowers that I put together out of my collection that I have here behind me. This is what a virtual tour of the workshop will be like for clients who order custom orders from Soul Seeds. I'll walk you through my current inventory of what's available. We'll take it slow and you can point out things that jump out at you. You can tell me what color schemes you're looking for. We can talk about smells and what it is that you feel like you'd like to have. You can put it all together and see what it turns into. This is the base. This is a really cool one with bamboo and rosemary. And then this is the bundle. That's an example of something that a client and I could virtually gather together from my collection of goodies. And this whole sweet little package of a wreath base and bundle can be either picked up on my porch or dropped off on yours.